Hello everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to another Sleepy Developer tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into megadethdigital.io with a Crossmint account. What is Crossmint and why would I want to log into megadethdigital.io? It's a good question. Before I answer that, let me just say please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that way you'll be notified whenever I post new content. So Crossmint is a third-party service that Megadeth Digital uses to enable you to purchase NFTs with a credit card. So this is pretty cool because Crossmint's whole goal is to make it easier to use the blockchain. So they obfuscate and make the blockchain invisible. All you need is a credit card and an email address, and they do all of the heavy lifting for you. So you can kind of see just at a high level what they're doing. You give them your credit card information, they charge your bank, they create a wallet for you. Megadeth Digital mints the token, and you receive it in the wallet that Crossmint creates for you. So that's pretty cool. If you're new to Web3 and you know nothing about it and you don't know where to start, and you just want to purchase a Megadeth Digital NFT, all you need is a credit card and an email address, and you can get started. That's pretty cool. It might seem a little complicated, but don't worry, because if you drive a car or you're familiar with a car, in a car we have an engine, and that engine helps the car move. But in order to drive the car, you don't need to know how the engine works. All you need to know, whether or not you're driving an automatic or a stick shift, you don't need to know how the engine works. All you need to know is how the controls work and how to manipulate them effectively and safely. The same concept applies with Crossmint. So Crossmint allows you to be able to mint a token with very limited knowledge of how the blockchain works, but in a safe way. So now that you understand that, you might be asking, okay, great, but why would I want to log into megadethdigital.io? Well, that's a great question. So while NFTs, the Rattlehead NFTs, are a virtual collection, there are real life tangible benefits that are tied to them. For example, some of them are tied to shows. So there are VIP upgrades that are available. There are also perks like getting into venues early, which allows you to shop for merchandise without having to wait in a super long line. You can also go into the pit and get up front and center with the band and save your spot. So that way, you're able to view the concert right up there and just be really close to the band, which is a really cool experience. And being able to get into the venue early helps you ensure you to get your spot, because often the times in the pit, it's first come, first serve, as there are no seats. And then they also have a lot of other exclusive merchandise that are only available to NFT holders. And in December of 2024, the Megadeth Digital team put on a 13-day event called the 13 Days of Megadethness. And there was a lot of really cool giveaways that they had and redeemable perks. And one of them was a replica Gibson Flying V Dave Mustaine signature guitar, which I actually happen to have right here. I redeemed one of these with my NFTs, and it's pretty cool. As you can see, it comes on a stand. It's made out of wood. It's got strings. I'm not about to bust out holy wars on this, but if you can see here on the back, it's got Dave Mustaine's silhouette there. It actually has his signature right there. This is a pretty faithful reconstruction of an actual Dave Mustaine Flying V guitar. And it's really cool to put on my desk. It makes it more metal, which is awesome. So now that you understand what Crossmint is and why you want to log into Megadeth Digital so you can redeem your perks, let's go ahead and do that. So here we go. We're just going to open up in our browser, megadethdigital.io, and you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner it says Connect Wallet. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to ask me to select a provider. I'm going to choose Crossmint, and a pop-up window will pop up. So if you have a pop-up blocker, this might get blocked. So if it does, just make sure that you allow it. So I'm going to enter in my email address. This is the email address that I used while I was purchasing and minting the token. I'm amazed I was able to type and talk at the same time. I can't chew gum and walk at the same time. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to send me an email. And I check my email here on my phone. And I'm going to enter in the code that they sent me. All right, so we're logging in here. And once this logs me in, it's thinking. This might be slow because in the process of making this video, I've logged in and out of Crossmint a few times, so they might be going, why is this person logging in so often? So that might be affecting why I am my login speed here. There we go. So we're now logged in to Crossmint, but now we have to authenticate into Megadeth Digital. So you might be going, why do I have to sign in twice? This is because this is a Web3 integration. So what you would normally have to do is log in with your wallet and then authorize megadethdigital.io to use your wallet. And so what we've done here is we've logged in with Crossmint, and now we need to authenticate with Megadeth Digital. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop down there, and you'll see how it says sign in. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then it will ask me if I want to sign in with my wallet. So the first step, we used Crossmint to log in, and now we're using the wallet that Crossmint created for us to authenticate the login to megadethdigital.io. And if I seemed like I was a little bit distracted there, I was. My cat just decided to come into my office while I'm recording this and is trying to open up the closet door. So I apologize for being a little bit distracted. So I'm going to hit sign, and this will log me in. And then once this completes, we will be able to access our NFTs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the wallet over here, and I'm going to select profile, and you can see there is my NFT, and it's got this gold background around it, this frame. That means that there are perks that can be redeemed, and so because they can be redeemed, that means there's some cool things that I can take advantage of that exist in the hi Hunter. You're trying to steal the show? Okay. Well, before I get too distracted by my cat, let me just say I created a video that explains how to redeem perks. So, I will post that in the show notes. So now that you understand and now that you've logged in to your account with Crossmint, take a look at that video and you'll learn how to redeem your perks. So with that, until next time, I'll see you later. I have to find out what my cat is getting into because I hear some noise back there. And I will talk to you later. Bye.